Entering loans into the loan servicing soft system is a pretty straightforward process. From the Loans tab, you can click this button here. From anywhere else in the system, you always have this button up here. Go ahead and select the button, and we give you several different options for entering loans into the system. You can manually type a loan into the system. You can use one of several different wizards. You can use a loan template. You can set up and use as many different loan templates as you like for different product configurations and loan product types that you have. We can import from other systems, including the ability to import from other systems in batch. And then we can take any other loan in the system that you already have set up and use that as a starting template, including the ability to control the copying of all these various screens and configuration areas. I'm going to go ahead and just select the manual option, hit finish, and it's going to go ahead and give me a blank loan screen, or loan object we call it. And you'll see here on the left we have a series of tabs. The first tab, the summary tab here, is actually optional. We can turn it off or on. You have the terms screen where you have the amounts and schedule and dates and everything, and the configuration and terms of the loan. You have your borrower screen where you can set up an unlimited number of borrowers and co-borrowers and guarantors, etc. You can assign who owns the loan if you work with investors or multiple funding accounts or what have you. Vendors, collateral. You can set up and track as many different collateral items, properties, vehicles, assets, a combination of everything. Our system gives you the ability to set up and use UDF fields. This screen and this screen are completely blank slates where you can set up your own user-definable fields. We have a docs and log area. This is where you're most likely going to have a call log or a notes log. And then your users will come in, do a date and time stamp, and take notes. Someone else will most likely come in later, and they'll take notes, and you'll have a running call log. We can also store an unlimited number of images, pictures, any electronic file can be put in here. The system can also be set up to archive, make copies and archive of anything loan servicing soft generates. For example, statements, late notices, NSF, insurance expire, letters from your borrower, and so on. And then this is the audit trail tab. So the system is going to keep track as people are coming in and entering loans and making changes to loans. The system is going to keep an audit trail of every single thing that has been done, date and time stamp, who made the change, old value and new value. Okay, so when loans are first being entered in or come in, they're going to sit in a various status. Loans have different statuses or stages that they run through during their life. We're going to start off as entered or application, and these are all just different words for loans that aren't loans yet. They're in the application or underwriting or entering process. Once a loan is funded and closed, it's an active loan. Then we have charged or closed, charged off, declined, canceled. Let's see here. We also have additional screens that can be turned on for things such as escrow, closing costs for closing docs and disclosures and so forth. BRE, which is for folks in California. We can enable an encumbrance screen. We can enable Metro 2 credit reporting. And that pretty much sums up. That's a quick overview of the screens, the screens for entering a new loan or a loan into loan servicing software. Thank you.